guys, welcome back to the Lois A Flagg library for another program. Today I'm going to be showing you teens how to create a nice balloon column, and here are the supplies you'll need, which are scissors, 2 different color pack of balloons, a ribbon, a balloon pump, and a balloon weight. So here in this clip you see me blowing up my 2 different colors. I chose pink and black for breast cancer awareness. And what we're gonna do once we blow up these 2 balloons, and it might do you some justice to have a bit of help, so you can have somebody to hold your balloons if you have a balloon pump like I do. One thing to note is to try to get all of your balloons roughly about the same size. It'll make your spiral pattern in your column a lot more neat. So once you have your 2 balloons blown up, what you're gonna do is tie both of the ends of those balloons together, and you're going to do that for all your balloons. I used a total of 32 balloons for each column. I had about 8 quadrants, and yeah, so that was 16 black balloons and 16 pink balloons. And I already blew up some other balloons, so now you're gonna twist those 2 balloons to form a quadrant, and you want to make sure that you have an alternating pattern of colors, and in a second you'll see exactly what I mean. So you want pink, black, pink, black. You don't want 2 of one color on one side. It'll make more sense in a minute. Just trying to get my balloons to stay stable. There you go. So your quadrant should look like that. The colors should alternate. Alright, in this next clip, I'm going to be showing you how to tie your balloon string to a weight. So the only thing you need to remember here is making sure you double loop on the weight. So you tie it once and then tie it again to make sure that the weight is secured, because this is going to be our base for our balloon column. So we want to make sure that it's secured and as stable as possible, because it will help our balloon column to stand upright. So this is a very important step. Alright guys, so in this next clip, I recorded this on a different day. What I'm going to be showing you is actually how to assemble your balloon column now that you have your 8 quadrants, and you can make this as tall as you want to. So if you want more than 8 columns, that's perfectly fine. I just found that 8 was the ideal number for me. So in this clip, what you want to remember is once you have your quadrant, what I'm doing now is wrapping my ribbon or my balloon string around each individual balloon, okay? And this is a pattern that you're going to repeat throughout this process. So you want to wrap one balloon, loop it through in the middle, and then wrap another balloon, loop it through the middle, and wrap another balloon. It takes a bit of practice, but once you see the pattern, it'll come together. So I'm just wrapping each balloon individually to make sure our balloons are secure on the weight. Alright, so I have Miss Cow's handing me another balloon, and the important thing to remember here is that you're going to wrap that balloon set on the bottom set of balloons. So every time you stack your balloons, you're not gonna wrap from the bottom where you started. Just you're gonna be wrapping every one that you add on to the one on the bottom of the balloons that you added on. Hope it makes sense in a bit. So I now have 3 sets of quadrants on my balloon column. So I'm not gonna wrap from the base all the way to the top. Just the balloons that are underneath the balloon quadrant that I just placed on top. So the ones on bottom and the ones on top. And I'm looping it through the middle. And sometimes it is a bit confusing, but you have to remember with trying to do the spiral column is that you kind of want to find a place where your balloons can fit while you're stacking them on the quadrant. So you kind of want to interlock the balloons and make sure that the colors are spiraling in one pattern. So that alternating the colors once you tie the balloons together really helps. So you see me trying to figure a few things out. Sometimes I get very confused about which colors go where, so trust me, it's a learning process, I know. That's not quite it. And that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the balloons I just secured as well as the ones I just placed on top. All right, so you're gonna keep doing that until you run out of the balloon sets. So Mrs. Cows is going to show you guys how to secure the balloon that we got on top onto the balloon column. And essentially all you're doing is tying a loop around this balloon and dragging it in to make the balloon stay in the column. And once you do that, just cut a little further down and clip the string, the balloon string. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys what everything should look like. So if you decide to do this project, just send us pictures. And as always, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.